In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate workflow n8n. If you need to temporarily pause an automation without deleting anything, deactivating the workflow is the safest and cleanest way to do it. When a workflow is deactivated, triggers stop firing, schedules pause, and nothing runs in the background until you turn it back on. Your nodes, connections, and settings all remain intact. First, open your browser and go to n8n.io. From there, sign in and open your n8n workspace. You'll land on the dashboard where your workflows are listed. If you work across multiple projects or environments, make sure you're in the correct space before you continue so you don't accidentally pause the wrong automation. Next, head to the workflow you want to pause. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it by name. Click it to open the editor. You'll know you're in the right place if you see the canvas with your nodes and the workflow's title across the top. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the exact workflow you intend to deactivate, especially if you have similar copies for testing and production. Now move your mouse over the workflow canvas and hover over the node area, especially near your trigger node if you have one. As you hover, the editor controls become more prominent. This is a useful reminder that you can make changes to nodes individually, but for this tutorial, we're pausing the entire workflow, not just a single node. If you notice an option to disable a specific node, remember that disables only that node. Deactivation applies to the whole workflow. When you're ready, click Deactivate. Depending on your view, this may appear as a deactivate button or as an active toggle that you switch off. If you see a confirmation prompt, accept it. The change takes effect immediately. After deactivation, time-based triggers won't run, webhook triggers won't execute automatically, and the workflow will not start on its own. You can usually still test parts of it manually if needed, but automatic executions will be paused. To verify the change, look for a visual indicator that the workflow is inactive, such as an inactive badge, or the toggle switched off. If your team relies on this workflow, consider letting them know it's paused to avoid confusion. When you're ready to bring it back, return to the same control and reactivate it. And that's all there is to it. Quick, safe, and reversible. Thanks for watching and happy automating.